Leo. Hello. What are you doing?
I'm doing a train.
You play with the train?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so cool.
A train track.
A train track? Wow,
We have tunnel.
that is very big train track you have.
Yeah. The one wheel. The one wheel.
The wood wheel? Can you show mommy how to play?
Yeah. A train. The train.
Oh, you wanna close the door? Okay. Wow.
Train traveler. Train.
Can you show mommy?
A train.
Oh, it's train coming. Train coming. What's wrong with the cow?
How broken?
Is it cow broken?
Yeah, a train broken. A train broken. A car broken. Moo moo moo. Oh no. She's coming. Oh.
Shoo shoo.
Good boy, change us. Okay, a train, the one wheel. Go this way. Okay. Catch.
Wow.
This way. We're going. I'm pushing.
Are you pushing the train? Uh-oh, the train accident.
Let's go back. Let's go, hurry, go.
Is train coming?
Yeah.
Choo choo. Choo choo.
Oh, train broken.
Accident happened.
Green tunnel. One wheel. There's one wheel. There's one wheel.
Yeah.
One wheel goes out to go try push. Go back to the $150 train track.
$50 train track?
Yeah.
Wow.
You. Sit over there. You.
What happened? You need napkin?
Yeah.
Mommy get you napkin. Here, Leo. Here, napkin.
Yep, it's a green turtle. Trouble.
Come here, Ma. Did you ride the train?
I like this one.
Okay.
I like blue train. I like yellow train.
Yeah.
Blue train, yellow train.
You ride a train track?
I like train truck.
It's nice.
I don't know swim, but never touch a train truck.
What? Donald Trump. You are so funny, boy.
The passage. The passage.
Leo, who is the president of United States?
Leo.
Leonardo.
We push.
No. Okay. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Where is Leonardo? Here. Bye bye. See you. Oh.
It's cozy.